This is the faucet that I chose to replace our kitchen one with. So I got it on Amazon. You have two modes between a regular and a more solid stream. It has this holder that holds it in place, and then your pipe is adjustable. When you install it, there's a weight at the bottom, so you can decide how much to pull out. So I have it all the way that I can touch, and then it holds, taps on the side, and the color of the water will change, or the light will change as the water temperature changes. So blue will be cold, it'll go to green as kind of an intermediate, and then it'll turn red once the water is hot. So this is that other mode that I was talking about that is sort of a much more powerful beam. And then you flip back to the regular. It does swing all the way to either side, and if you're using it like that, you can swing this arm out the way independently. So you can see there we've turned to green, which goes warm, and it will turn over to red here in a second as it gets to the hot temperature. Overall, the range I find on this is a lot better, so you can go a lot higher for washing some of the bigger stuff, and it is a nice look. And there you can see that is red. Now it has a final mode where it will flash red after this, which is where the water's getting really hot that you have to worry about potentially being burned.